everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Maxxia account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. Once you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in the URL www.securemaxxia.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Maxxia is an Australian company that offers a range of employee benefits and asset management services, including novated leasing, salary packaging, and fleet management. To log in and access your account, you can go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box or your email address associated with your account and then click on the next button. If you don't have an account yet registered, then you can click on the register here link and follow through the on-screen prompts to create a new account. Once you have an account, you can enter your credential right here. If you don't remember your credential during the process, you can click on the recover user ID link and follow through the instructions to look for your user ID. Finally, after filling in your details, click the next button and on the next field, it will ask you for your password. Make sure to type in the correct password and then you can click the login button. But if you're having trouble remembering your password, you can click on forgot your password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. That is how you can easily get access to your Maxxia account online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.